These are our ingredients for our banana nut muffin. Okay, so we need butter, ripe bananas, all-purpose flour, baking soda, salt, nuts, different kinds of nuts, rolled oats, chocolate chips, vanilla, eggs, and sugar. For our bananas, we have to mash the bananas first before we start mixing. Be sure that you use the overripe bananas. This variety is the Cavendish type. Okay, so we are going to make banana nut muffin. How many of you love muffin? Okay, so in making banana nut muffin, this is just a simple creamy method. Okay, so we are going to use butter which is in room temperature, so it's easy for us to mix this. So with this, we're going to add in our 210 grams of butter, we're going to add 300 grams of sugar. Okay? We're going to mix it until light and fluffy. In making muffin, we have to take note that we should not over mix it. Okay? In here, we are going to add our egg. And in adding the egg, we have to add the egg one at a time. Okay, one at a time. So here we need 200 grams of eggs. 200 grams or 200 ml. By the way, here we use the baker's percentage so that we can have standard product. So if you're going to make it into a business, you just have to multiply everything for you to mass produce this muffin. Okay? Now we're going to switch with our wire whisk, so it's easier for us. Okay. Now that it is light and fluffy, so here, we'll add our 5 ml of vanilla. So this will make it fragrant. Okay, vanilla. And then, we're going to add our 800 grams of ripe banana. So, I'm using here Cavendish, the green variety, which is very ripe, for you to have a fragrant product. Okay, just mix well, but do not overmix. Okay, next, we're going to add our oats, our old-fashioned rolled oats, 90 grams. So add the oats. See, it's very simple. And then, on our flour, on our 300 grams of flour, we are going to add our baking soda. Be sure to mix the baking soda in the flour. Mix it well. Okay. And then here we're going to put the salt so that to enhance the flavor. Okay. Then we can add now our flour. This is a very good snack, accompaniment of our noodles, pancit, a very good merienda. Okay? The technique in muffin is that do not over mix. Just have to see to it that the flour is well dissolved in our mixture. Okay? And then, with it, we're going to add our 200 grams of chocolate chips. Okay, chocolate chips. And then, lastly, we'll add our nuts. But we're going to reserve some of the nuts for our toppings. We can use walnuts, cashew, or peanuts. Okay. So, we're done. Then, we're going to scoop this in a well-greased muffin pan. Be sure to grease your muffin pan well. Okay. Okay, then we're going to scoop out on our well-greased muffin pan. Okay, so see to it that you put it carefully. Okay, we're going to bake it at 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you can just add something on top. You can add some more nuts on top. Okay. But if not, if you don't like to put nuts on top, it's okay. Okay, approximately our muffin will have 2 dozens. Okay. So one of the easiest baked product. This is under what we call quick bread. Okay, so we made 2 dozens of muffin. Look, I'm excited. We're going to bake this at 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the top is golden brown. Banana Nutty Muffin time! Here is our finished product. Look, it's amazing. Amazingly delicious. Wow, look at it. It's oozingly delicious. Ah! Banana Nutty Muffin time! Wow! Look at it. It's oozingly delicious. Here is our finished product. Look, it's amazing. Amazingly delicious. Ah! Look, it's perfectly done.